everybody, my name is Debashish Roy. I'm the senior network trainer as well as Cisco networking specialist at the Indian Cyber Security Solutions. These are my contact informations for LinkedIn and Twitter. And please like our YouTube channel for these videos, for the coming videos. And if you want more videos, video tutorials, then please subscribe our channel on YouTube. Today, I'm going to talk about not so stubby area, totally stub. So this is a special area for OSPF NSSA, totally stub. So what is this area all about? In this area, no Type 3, Type 4 and Type 5 external LSA are allowed. So we already know that Type 3 is a network summary LSA, inter-area LSA. Type 4 LSA, it is generated by the DR. And the Type 5 is external LSA. Those are not allowed in case of NSSA totally stub area. And as we know, in a normal NSSA area, Type 5 LSAs are blocked. But in this totally stub, NSSA totally stub area, Type 3 and Type 4s are also blocked along with Type 5. So what is allowed? Only a default summary route is allowed. And Type 5 LSA is converted to Type 7 LSA by ABR. On ABR, this is converted, just like NSSA area. So this is the NSSA totally stub area figure. So here there is an external AS, and this external AS is injecting the Type 5 routes into the ASBR. ASBR is injecting into the area 0, and ABR is connecting area 0 with area 2. So the Type 5 LSA, external LSA, is converted to Type 7 on ABR, and it's injected to area 2, the NSSA totally stub area. If we convert the area 2 into NSSA totally stub. So how to configure NSSA totally stub? Area 2 NSSA no hyphen summary command to be configured on ABR. This command can be given and will be given on ABR only, not to any other router. And default information originate command is also needed to be configured on ABR to generate default route, to inject default route on NSSA totally stub area, just as the NSSA. So this was about the theory part, and now I'm going to show you the practical on the GNS system. Now see, there are three routers connected, R1, R2 and R3, and this R1 is configured as the area 0 and R3 as area 2, and here you can see the IP address is 192.168.1.1, this is 1.2 and this is 2.1, and 2.2 is configured on the serial interfaces, and R2 is configured as the area border router which connects between this area 0 and area 2. So now let's configure NSS area and NSSA totally stub area on router 2 ABR first. So go to ABR, go to console, and here go to config port, and you go to router OSPF and we're using to ID 1, and then you configure area 2 as NSSA no hyphen summary. This command will be given on the ABR to convert NSSA, to configure NSSA into NSSA total stub area. And not only that, area 2 NSSA default information originate command also should be configured on ABR to inject, to generate a default route and to inject the default route into NSSA. Okay, and now go to R3, and in case of this R3, you go to router OSPF 1, and previously we have only this LSA types, normal LSA types with normal areas, but now I am going to show you the NSS area. So give this command area 2 and NSSA. Now this command will be given on this router to make area 2 as NSSA area. And now let's check with this command show IP route OSPF, and see only a default route is available here, default, that is inter-area default route. See, this route is available 0000. This route is injected within this area. And now let's check the show IP OSPF database. Now you can see that there is no type 5 LSA, only a default route is there, because I have already told you that the type 5 LSA is not available, and also the type 3 LSA is not also available, so only a default route is available. And you can see this type 7 LSA is also available, that is the default route. Means the APR has converted the type 5 LSA into the type 7 and has injected it into the NSSA total stub area. No type 3, type 4 LSA is there or type 5 LSA is there, only a default route that is in the form of type 7 LSA is present there. And also you check it on the ABR also. ABR also you give the show IP OSPF database, and you also check here also. Now here the summary links are available. See, the summary links are available, means the type 3 LSA is there, but that is not injected into NSSA total stub area, and also type 7 area is also there. So we can also filter out this way, also show IP OSPF database, and you use the pipe and filter this, like give this command begin type, say type 7. Yes, you can see the type 7 LSA. So we can filter out the routes, and I can only view certain LSA types this way, piping command. So I have shown you the NSSA total stub area, and total stub area doesn't contain any type 3 and type 4 or type 5 external LSAs, only a default route that is in the form of type 7 LSA. So this is a specialty about the NSSA total stub area. So I have shown you the theory and as well as the practical part. I think you have enjoyed it, and I think it was informative for you. And if you have enjoyed this, please like our channel on YouTube, and if you want more videos like this, please subscribe our channel on YouTube also. So that is for today, and on any next day I'll come with any other new topic. So till then, it's goodbye.